We are at Base Automation Technologies Pvt Ltd. 25 years of experience, 25 plus years of experience in providing complex industrial automation solutions. With us is Mr. Gopinath PS, a next-gen entrepreneur and a passionate leader. As one of the main functionaries of Base Automation Group, he plays a key role in its scaling up towards the accelerated growth to become the system integrator of the future. We also have with us Mr. Lakshminarayanan, the CEO of Base Automation Technologies. Welcome to Automation Expo 2023. Can you briefly introduce Base Automation and its core mission?
Okay. Yep. Should I? So Base Automation is basically a 25-year-old company. We started with a vision of on the control automation system integration as a business. And today we have evolved addressing a 360-degree view of an IIoT and digitization and Industry 4.0 solutions as a company. So we have three major segments we operate with, like one on the OT side, like we deal with the physical machines and enable them to talk. And the second vertical is basically on the industrial automation, factory automation, bespoke layouts. And the third one is the digitization part. So this is how we have evolving as an industry solution provider. And we are industry agnostic and platform agnostic. We are more of a solution-driven company addressing different varieties of challenges of different verticals of industry.
How does Base Automation provide 360-degree solutions to the manufacturing community through its three divisions?
So, originally speaking, many of the plants are legacy with the different islands of controllers and the machineries and depending on their processes. So what we have designed our delivery model is to have all three capabilities addressing those solutions, addressing the challenges rather. The challenges are of different nature, maybe from the supply chain or onto the control side or the efficiency or the productivity. So we have grouped those solutions into 4 factors, focusing on productivity, quality, flexibility, and speed. So these 4 are the major group of challenges any industry is facing. So our solutions are focusing on these areas, prioritizing them, and how we help the customers to, our solution helps them. Yeah.
Around to that. So ideally, we are a solutions provider. We build customized solutions and we love customer problems. So we understand their problems and we derive a concept. So our tagline is concept to reality. So we actually go to a customer, try to understand what their problem is and try to find a concept which will actually give a solution to them, and then we bring it to reality. So that's predominantly what we do.
Exactly.
So that's good to know. Can you further tell us how do you assist customers at different phases of their digitalization journey?
Yeah, in generally, we have a team of certified assessors who understand different domain and the process. So we kind of focus into their process, the model in which they adopt and produce things. And by interacting with the field level people as well as the management level stakeholders, we understand and quantify the problems and we help them prioritizing. So if we find out there is an issue in the intra-logistics and supply chain, which is actually reducing the speed, and if there is a scope of increasing the flexibility and speed, we design our solution to focus on that. Or some people may have a quality issue where they wanted to really reduce the goal of reducing the scraps. So we focus and then find out which are the leaky pipes and then address our solution addressing those specific areas on priority. Yeah. This is how we make the assessment as a whole, as a holistic way. Yeah.
How do you ensure that the solutions you implement are outcome-based and tailored to the specific needs of each client?
Okay. So like I said before, we are more towards solving a problem rather than positioning a specific product. So we understand what the customer's pain point is. I mean, we are a shop floor guys. So whenever we visit a plant, we try to understand what is the operator mindset, what is his supervisor's mindset, what is his manager's mindset, what is the finance guy's mindset. So we try to understand the problem starting from the CXO level till the operator level. While we are on the factory floor, we ensure that our solution basically benefits the operator, who is at the end of the day predominantly uses our solution to fix the gaps in terms of quality, performance. Some people will be more towards reducing the maintenance cost. Some people will be trying to reduce the utilization, especially energy management. So we try to tailor make those solutions, and we have multiple teams in base automation where we sit down on the table, we create a blueprint, and we go ahead with the complete solution to the end customer.
What, in your opinion, are the predominant challenges faced by the manufacturing companies today?
Yeah, in general, just in sequence material availability on the shop floor and more of a regulated environment where they want a kind of a traceability is one of the demand of most of the customers, and they really wanted to focus on operational efficiency, where they wanted to really see what is the utilization factor of their machines which they have invested, and what prevent them actually utilizing them better, and what is the scope of improvement. These are all the major generic challenges every manufacturer is facing. We kind of focus and address how they'll be able to deploy the solution and then monetize based on the solution's outcome. So if we'll be able to make it in such a way that there are cyber guided system, there are automated system in such a way, value for money, and they will be able to either reduce the scrap or improve the performance efficiency of their machineries, or saving energy, or the reducing the defect. These are all the four major areas whereby the solutions addresses their challenges.
At Automation Expo 2023, what products have you decided to put on display?
So ideally, we have categorized our entire stall into three major divisions. First one is the control automation, which deals with machine connectivity, communicating with the machines, be it wired, wireless connection, and that part of our stall predominantly talks about it. And on the other corner, it is more towards the information solutions. Like we have our own inbuilt MES software called as FactoryWise, where it has production, inventory, maintenance, and quality-based modules. The traceability system we are demonstrating how for a tire manufacturer. Another traceability solution for a auto component manufacturer we are demoing, and the warehouse solution. And in the middle is our turnkey solution in terms of mechanized system, control system, and software solution all embedded together.
As we conclude, can you highlight the unique value proposition of base automation for potential clients?
Yeah, the unique value proposition is basically we focused on what really add value in terms of monetization for any manufacturing company. We are a industry vertical agnostic, and we are open for any technology front. We choose and help them in a scale of economy. We should be able to optimize the investment, whereas they get the maximum returns. So it's more like a kind of a centralized theme, where today the talk of the town is Industry 4, which has got a lot of inherent benefits. We try and educate and co-create with the customers, and try to understand and evolve with the different innovative solutions, where it really provides the end of the day, it provides the value. We are using the latest technology around us, because day to day the technologies are evolving. Many vendors are having different inventions, and we are only trying to choose which is the optimum technology, which of maximum value and to the respective needs. That's our value proposition.
For Base Automation Technologies Pvt Ltd, that was Mr. Gopinath PS and Mr. Lakshminarayanan. Thank you, and we wish you all the best at Automation Expo 2023.
Okay. So this is our wireless communication. So we have a Siemens controller this side and a Rockwell controller this side. And we have in between a SCADA system which talks wirelessly. We have done this for a lot of metals and minerals industries, where network cable laying might be a big problem. So we use access points to do complete wireless transmission. This is our batching system, which is built based on IS 88 standards. Any batching system can be built using this particular controller and a SCADA system. Here basically all the trends in terms of mixing, this is an automated batch mixing application where we have 3 ingredients on top and we have 1 mixing tank in the bottom with an agitator, and then we have the holding tank which will be dispersant. So this entire system is built using Rockwell platform and Rockwell SCADA. Okay, so this is our weighing and batch solution predominantly for any weighing and batching industries, be it chemical, be it rubber. So this is a complete turnkey solution what we give. We build the machines, we build the control systems, control panel, operator panels as well, and we build a software solution which takes care of the complete batching, which comes out with a EBR, electronic batch report as well. So this is the operator panel, HMI. And once you click on start, the batch starts, the weighing starts basically, and the control system controls the right weight. So using this, you basically achieve precision weighment along with the high quality as an output. This is a warehouse management system. Again, this is industry agnostic, and we have done this in many bigger industries, especially on tire plants, where the complete material management is done, beginning with issue of materials on a FIFO basis to ensure the scrappage is minimal on raw materials. So it's a completely operator guided system where the operator works with a tablet and he exactly knows what to pick, when to pick, and how to pick it in from which location. So this is an automated system. This is our IS portfolio, information solutions, where we provide digital solutions to any manufacturing industries. So we have our factory-wise MES, the manufacturing execution system, which is built on the 4 main pillars: inventory, maintenance, quality, and production. And these are traceability systems for a tire manufacturer. So these are operator workstations where the operator will be scanning the barcodes and it will give a complete birth certificate of how a tire is made. And this is for an auto component industry what we have done. And this is an OE and downtime measurement where it gives machine performance, man performance, and the complete history of a particular line. When the machine was running, when the machine was switched off, what are the downtime reasons, how to improve their MTTR and MTBF. So it targets to that solution.